Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, PNG and HTML file. So first of all, you have to open this link and you will get this link in this video description below. So open this link, scroll down, and here you'll find this Temper Monkey extension. If you're using Chrome browser, then click on Chrome. Click on Get from Store. All you have to need, just add this extension in your browser. Once it's added, click on the puzzle icon and make sure to pin the Temper Monkey extension and go to the GitHub link again and scroll down, and here you'll find this user script option. So we have to install the user script by clicking on install and click on install, and then go to your ChatGPT. Make sure to reload the page and open a conversation. And for example, I want to export this conversation, and as you can see, our option has been added called export through the extensions. I'm going to hover on export, and I can easily copy my conversation text from here. I can take a screenshot by clicking on screenshot. Also, I can export the whole conversation as a HTML by clicking on web page HTML. And if I open my download, as you can see, I successfully exported the conversation here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.